Hi to all, my name is SVC Dark, and in today's video we have in here should be OBD2 scanner, and that's Vgate vLinker MC Plus. So let's open it up. Okay, we're gonna open it, see what we have in the box. So this must be, let's say, semi-professional OBD2 scanner. So let's see if this is the original Vgate support upgrade. We have some, okay, the box is nice, firm. Download and upgrade. So we're gonna check this and let's see what we have inside. User's manual. Always read your user's manual to know your device and what it can do. So here you have to download the application. Okay, we're gonna do that, but first let's see what else have we in. So this is MC Plus. This is small user's manual. You have here different applications that you can download. iCar Dock, OBD Fusion, Beamer Code, Beamer Link. So very nice to have this. Here you have just vLinker MC Plus, and here is our star. So this should be the original. I don't know. I'm gonna plug it into my car and I'm gonna see. So here you have one. Here you have one button. Okay, that is all what we can do from here, and now let's go to the car. So I'm in my car. So this OBD2 scanner is good for applications like on your mobile phone, but it could not connect to, let's say, like this multiecu scan. And we are gonna check if this can connect with this, but first we need to do is to connect this and download this app and upgrade the firmware. So I'm gonna do that first. Okay, I've downloaded these apps, but first I'm gonna connect the device linker. Then we're gonna go like this. And now it is connected. Okay, we're gonna go to scan. Okay, we're gonna download. The current version software is updated to the last, but they are the same. No, they're not. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and I'll be back. So we're done, and now let's try. That's it. Okay, I have paired the device. You have to pair it to the vLinker MC Android, and then you can connect to your car. So this one is better, way better, because it works, and this one doesn't work. So now you can check all the parameters, like to oil degradation 76%. Speed limit do we have? No, we don't have. So that's it. So as you can see, this is the original and it works. I will put the link in the description. So I bought this from AliExpress. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to support me. Z3 Dark out. Bye.